are going to Slovenia, and it's nice to know for the people who don't live in this part of Italy or this part of Europe or this part of the world, that for the reason that in Italy we pay a lot of money for everything, from the food to the drinks to the gasoline, we usually go, and not only us but a lot of people living here, we usually go in Slovenia, which is near, which is 20 minutes by car, to get a full tank of gasoline and to buy some meat and some food, because there you can save a lot of money. Guess what? For a full tank of my car in Italy I will pay 90 euros, and the same full tank in Slovenia, which is just 25 kilometers, I pay 60 euros, so I save 30 euros. The meat the same, the fruit the same. So if you would like to save some good money and spend just 1 hour of going and coming back, you go a couple of times in Slovenia during the month and you buy food and you get gasoline.
Yeah. Gas is so expensive. If you think it's expensive in America and Canada, you're going to be shocked when you come to Italy. You know, Italy, I mean, you can get really good fruit and vegetables, which are not so bad, but gas or meat, it's really expensive here, or fish, it's really expensive here, at least in the northeastern part of Italy where we live, in Udine. It's very expensive, so.
And you know what's also nice about this part of Italy? That we have two borders in less than 1 hour of car, because if you go on the east side, you go to Slovenia. If you go on the southeast side, you go to Croatia, and there is also another border, which is the northern side, which is the Austria side. So you can buy good meat and cheese in Austria and getting gas for less money, or you can go to Slovenia to get. So in less than 1 hour of car we can go to 3 different countries, and sometimes we just put together a good trip for even saving some money.
I bought, first of all, these are chicken wings that I bought from the meat part of Slovenia, and I want to eat that today, so let me show you how I'm going to do it. Sorry, this is frozen eggplant. I had cut it up previously when it was fresh and froze it because, you know, we bought so much eggplant. So now I'm going to put in the chicken. And I already set the oven is like 180 degrees or so. And so I'm just going to cook this together in the oven like that. So let me just spread them out. Like, I just want to cook something really fast for me and Enrico this evening. So this is what we're going to have.
Does look nice, huh?
I think it's like olive oil, paprika, red chili powder, and salt. But I'm not sure because I buy it pre-marinated from the supermarket in Slovenia. And then, so I'm going to put this in the oven. And I also bought this aloe vera drink. And it has real aloe vera in it. And I cannot find this in Italy. So if you live around Udine and you know where to buy this in Udine, let me know. Because I haven't found it in the supermarkets. But so I buy this in Slovenia, and I love aloe vera drinks with the real aloe vera inside. And I bought tartara.
This is famous, guys, from Slovenia.
Yeah.
If you come here, don't forget to get a ride to Slovenia.
To try this. It is beef that is a tartar. You know, so it's raw, but not really raw.
It's not really raw because there is lemon inside, which cooks a little without putting in the oven.
And tartar should have like onion, garlic, and
in fact, every time you buy the tartar, even Freyja comes to smell the tartar, or even the chicken. You know?
She's Freyja.
Freyja, what are you doing?
Freyja, I'm gonna throw this stuff away.
Freya the cat is always smelling.
Okay, I'm gonna put this in the fridge for later. And I also bought Slovenian cakes from the supermarket. I like it because it's different than the cakes here. And I like to eat them in the morning actually. So this is kind of like breakfast, cake and coffee.
Oh, that looks nice after
Yeah,
that.
I got it. This is a chocolate cake.
It's like what you call in Canada? Like velvet, what?
Red velvet? No, it's not. It's completely different. It's basically a chocolate cake, and this is like cream. This is like custard, cream, and some cake and chocolate on top. This is really nice. This is my favorite thing to buy when I'm in Slovenia. Is this one right here? It's like a nanemo bar kind of.
Nice.
Yeah, and yeah, if you're Canadian, you know what a nanemo or nanaimo bar is. I'm not sure how to pronounce it.
Freyja, are you smelling some tartar patatina? Oi, oi.
Yeah. So we're waiting for that to cook. Good. I added some onions as well because I forgot that I had them already cut up in the... Look at Freyja. Freyja, you cannot have any. And I made a salad. The chicken is really, really good.
Okay, but there is an object moving and walking on the table.
I know.
A living object, okay?
I know, she likes chicken.
Okay, Freyja.
She can't have any.
Freyja, this is really not your business.
She has her food there and she doesn't
Ecco.
eat it. There. She's like...
And like we say in Italy, don't break so much our balls, okay? Okay, so...
So this is just tomato salad, the chicken, oh my god, the chicken is so good. The eggplant with onions, I just added salt to it, that's it. And the salad has balsamic vinegar and salt and olive oil, and that's it.